To stream and record on Meta Quest 3 using OBS, start by pressing the Meta button or the button on the right touch controller to access the Universal menu. From there, select the camera logo and then choose Go Live. Next, select Cast the Browser, and then Continue. You will be prompted to enter your streaming handle and choose where you want the chat to appear in your headset. Once you've set this up, press Continue. On your computer, open a web browser and navigate to oculus.com/casting. Log in with your Meta account using Facebook or Instagram, and follow the on-screen instructions. After completing these steps, launch OBS, which is the open broadcast software, to record and stream your content. To integrate the web browser video into OBS, you'll need to set it up to capture the screen of your browser. This will allow OBS to capture the video feed from your Meta Quest headset, enabling your viewers to see what you're seeing. Finally, log in to OBS using your streaming credentials, and click Start Streaming to go live. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully stream and record on Meta Quest 3 using OBS.